If you're considering buying Envoy, there are 7 things you need to know before making that decision, especially if you're comparing it to other software in the market. Stick around until the end because I'll give you insights that could save you time, money, and a lot of frustration with other tools. And if you want to give Envoy a try, you can do so for free from the first link below. First off, let's talk about its user-friendly interface. One thing that sets Envoy apart from competitors like Office Space and Robin is how intuitive the setup process is. It's easy to get started even if you're not tech savvy. No complicated configurations. It's designed to scale as your business grows, so whether you're a small team or an enterprise, Envoy's interface adapts to you. Plus, the dashboard is clean, simple, and easy to navigate, making it a standout compared to clunkier systems. Next thing to consider, Envoy's strong security features. With all the talk about data privacy, this is crucial. Envoy ensures your data is encrypted and safe, meeting GDPR standards. This is something that's not always prioritized by competitors. If your company handles sensitive information, knowing that Envoy complies with such high security standards is a massive benefit. When compared to some of the more basic systems, Envoy provides an enterprise-level security infrastructure that builds trust right out of the gate. The third thing is Envoy's integrations. It's not just a standalone software. It works seamlessly with other tools that you're already using, like Slack, Google Calendar, and Microsoft Outlook. Most competitors will require you to jump through hoops for these integrations, or even worse, leave you on your own to figure out how to connect everything. Envoy's integration options are extensive, and it's constantly adding new connections, making it highly flexible for companies of any size. The fourth thing is Envoy's visitor management system. If you have an office that sees clients or guests regularly, this feature alone could be a game changer. Visitors can check in using a tablet, receive a visitor badge, and your staff is immediately notified. It's not just about tracking visitors. It's about creating a smooth experience for everyone. This feature alone gives Envoy an edge over competitors who might offer a basic check-in system that doesn't go as far in automating or customizing the experience. The fifth thing is its space management capabilities. If you're managing office space and resources, Envoy makes it easier to track and optimize space usage. Their software gives you the ability to see real-time data on desk availability, meeting room schedules, and more. If you're coming from a competitor, you'll notice Envoy offers much more flexibility and functionality. It's ideal for organizations that have a hybrid workforce or need to manage large or fluctuating office spaces. Next, we have analytics. Envoy has built-in analytics that help you get insights into space usage, visitor trends, and employee engagement. This is something that many competing platforms lack or offer in a very limited way. With Envoy, you get data that can be turned into actionable insights, whether you're looking to improve employee satisfaction or optimize your office environment for better productivity. The seventh and final thing you need to know is customer support. Envoy's customer service stands out as one of the best in the industry. Unlike many other platforms that have long wait times or limited resources, Envoy offers quick responses, helpful tutorials, and an active online community. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just need a quick tip, Envoy's support team is always ready to help. If you're sold on what Envoy offers but want to dive deeper, you can get the best free trial and exclusive benefits by clicking the first link in the description. Try it out for yourself and see how it compares to the other tools you've used. Don't forget, it's completely free to get started today.